Today I'm working on the Jars of Joy Cards with Robin workshop. And one of the things is we do a lot of is using this punch to cut out these cute little jars. So I wanted to recommend to you a good way to do that. And one is getting your punch and getting a white piece of paper and just punch it so you have a template. And then you take the jar pieces and you insert them into the hole, and you can kind of see, especially if you put it on a dark background like I've got it, that you can see where the things should go. You take your block, drop it right on top of there, and now you are ready to go so that you can stamp, stamp, stamp away and do all your decorating. And then when it's time to use your punch, it's already set up to fit right in the space. How cool is that? So I found that extremely helpful, and I hope you will too. So thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.